Keep the tip up. Keep the tip up. You still got him?
Yeah.
Okay, reel him in. Okay, bring him over to the shore. Is he fighting?
Pretty good. Can't reel anymore.
Okay. Just drag it over to the side then. Drag it over to your right shoulder. Keep walking back until he comes onto the shore.
Snag. The fish is snag.
Nice, bud.
Where's the net?
Oh, you,
I,
here.
I.
Get down there and take the hook off.
I don't know how to take the hook off.
You don't? Well, just like you took it off of that, just like you took it off of the, what kind of fish is that?
It's brown trout.
You're right, it is. Okay. Here, I'll help you.
Need net.
No, we don't need the net.
Of course I do. Oh, he's out. I think so.
Okay. Pick him up and put him back. No, don't throw him in yet. Just go get in and set him in.
Oh, there he goes.
Nice job.
Thanks.
That's Wyatt catching a brown trout on a fly rod. What do you think?
I loved it.